I'm Jackie, and I'm a Misfit. Welcome to this edition of Meet a Misfit, where we are going to introduce you to the tallest member of the core Misfits team, Andy. So come and check out what he has to say.
I'm Andy and I'm a Misfit. I'm originally from Australia and grew up in New Zealand before I lived a lot around the world in many different places and finally found my way here to the Misfits Unified team. In the past, I've really wanted to always do things my way, and this has caused problems in the beginning here because when I would be led by other members of the team, I would have a really hard time doing that. I would be a pain in the ass, really. My time with Misfits has helped me really open up and take direction from others. Now I feel liberated in a way, I feel free in a way which I didn't before. Being able to find a place where I actually want to be led. I'm being taught by the other Misfits new ways to think and new ways to do things where I may not have ever even imagined to do it that way. And I'm finding that by merging our ideas and our ways together, we're doing things so much better than I could have ever dreamed to do on my own.
What are you guys doing?
Oh, we're putting a face on Napoleon the monkey, and Maya's giving me a little bit of help with detail work because she's done a lot of it and she's really good at it, and so I'm taking some lessons.
It's cool, we're a good team because he's really good at MASH and I'm really good in sculpting, so we complement each other.
Very nice.
Yeah, Misfits has made me more authentic as a person because when we're working together so closely with people, you really can't hide anything. Because if you have a disagreement, you're right there working close quarters with them, and so everything comes to the surface. It really demands authenticity so that we can all work well together. And Misfits and the artistic process and the collective art process has allowed me to just try things. Just try things and see what happens, and sometimes it's a hilarious disaster, but other times it's glorious.
Who did this?
I did!
Yeah!
We did!
Dragon Rider!
The Dragon Rider!
Wow.
Yay, collective art! My teacher!
My student, she's awesome. You're the best.
Did you ever do something like this before?
No, never.
Being part of Misfits Unified has changed my life in a way that I never would have expected or even thought that I wanted. So it kind of surprised me. And one element that's made it really special for me is the silliness. When we get into this creative energy sometimes, the energy starts bouncing around and people start telling jokes and little stories, and all of a sudden there's this playful energy which I don't remember really having like that strongly and that amazingly since I was a little kid. At first it was a little uncomfortable and strange because it was almost foreign to have that level of just spontaneous silliness happening, and it's definitely not something I've cultivated in my life, but it's become really precious to me actually. It's become a beautiful part of my life that I never even knew I was missing.
Check out the top left video to see our instructional video series. Check out our Umbala documentary by clicking the video to the bottom left. And if you don't want to miss any of our videos, click the little bell next to the subscribe button and then hit all.